Hello everyone, welcome to our brand new episode of Forever Matters. I'm Akash Chaudhary, I'm head of the events here in India. For all of 2025, we'll be coming to you from a different country offices from around the world. Here in India, we have 2 million FBOs, 20 sales offices and approximately 180 employees. Behind every successful story, there is a series of wins and lessons. Let's explore how growth is happening for Ishan and what tips he might have for you at home.
Hello Forever family, Ishan South this side. I'm a Sapphire manager from India, and in last 6 months I have grown my business from 250 case credits a month to 1000 case credits a month now, and I am going to share 2 of my secrets with you all today. But trust me, things were never easy for me. I started this business at the age of 18 because I wanted to help my family financially, and today I am 24 years old, so it's been 6 years in this business. 2 of my secrets are: first, I use social media at its best. I am daily making content on YouTube, on Instagram, and I'm generating so many leads from there. You can do the same. Second, I take responsibility of everything. Whether I grow or fail, I take 100% responsibility, so there's no blame game. We know in today's world, everyone knows everything, but what matters the most is fast execution and action. If we execute fast and take action fast, we grow fast. Thank Forever for this opportunity, my seniors and my amazing team.
As you can see, a thriving business begins with thriving people. We hope you find inspiration from Ishan's journey. India is proud to have 3 PEC20 members, Rohit, Taran, Jaspreet, and 1 GLT member, Krishna Arora. With this, let's get to recognizing our brand new jam managers. Take it away, Nick.
And now it's time to recognize our brand new Sapphire managers. And just as a reminder, you need 9 first-generation managers in your downline to make Sapphire, so it's an incredible amount of work. And congratulations goes to Misao Omai from Japan. And now it's time to recognize our brand new Diamond Sapphire managers. And to achieve this level, you need 17 front-generation managers in your team. Congratulations to Simone Brom from Brazil. Simone is one of the top leaders in Brazil and just enjoyed a fantastic trip to Paris with us at the Global Rally in April. And our next Diamond Sapphire managers are Joanna and Simon Kazimierz from Poland. They are some of the top leaders in Europe and represent Poland at the GLT. Congratulations to our GEM managers for this month.
Thank you, Nick. Congratulations to all the new GEM managers this month. What an amazing achievement. Now, let's check in with Karen Brainhart on some of the latest policy and incentive updates you have been hearing about since our time in Paris.
Hello Forever family. Hopefully by now you've had the opportunity to hear about and learn more about the exciting new policy and incentive enhancements that we announced at our global rally in Paris. It's an exciting time for growth in Forever, and just in case you're not up to speed with these exciting enhancements, let's do a quick recap. Supervisor qualification has been reduced to 10 cc in 1 month. This is a game changer. This is the first stage of growth for a new FBO to create the momentum needed to achieve your goals. That next goal in the marketing plan is, of course, assistant manager, which has also been changed a little bit. Now with just 60 cc's earned in 2 consecutive months, you will qualify. These 2 changes are generating a lot of excitement globally, and we hope you and your teams are making the most of this incredible opportunity. Speaking of goals, let's talk Eagle Manager Incentive. There were a couple of updates made for EMR 26, and we want to make sure you are on track to get there. Let's walk through it. You have to be 4 cc active and leadership bonus qualified. Achieve a total of 720 cc's, including 100 cc's new, and personally sponsor 3 new supervisor lines globally. Senior managers must have 1 Eagle downline. And now again, this year, soaring managers and above can qualify with just 1 new Eagle downline that is not under another qualifying Eagle manager. Well, there it is, all laid out for you, the next steps towards growth. As we reach the midpoint of 2025, remember, it's not about catching up, it's about leveling up. Your best work could still be ahead, so refocus, re-energize, and finish strong.
Thanks, Garen. We are working very closely with our FBOs in India to make sure we are making the most of the newest incentives and marketing plan updates. We hope you at home are doing the same. You are now joining me at Gurugram office of India, where all the planning take place to make India number one. Yes, that's our goal. 2x growth to make India number one. And we will have this award right here very soon. This year, we won the award for being number 2 amongst the top 10 countries in the world sales. We received this award at Global Rally in Paris. Speaking of top 10 lists, let's take a look at the top 10 FBOs for this month. These FBOs are working hard every day and making it happen. Let's give them a well-deserved round of applause. Congratulations to everyone on the top 10 list. What an incredible achievement. I'm here with a few of my favorite products and they have so many health benefits. Let me highlight a few items we like to use every day. Here is Bhrangraj oil, Forever Bright Tooth Gel, and one of my favorite, Forever Aloe Turm. I'm sure they are your favorite too. Since we are talking about products, can anyone guess what is the top selling product of India? Yes, it's Aloe Turm. As many of you know, Aloe Turm is produced in India and it was the only product to be sold out at Rally launch event. Let's turn to Holly for a deeper dive into what makes this product so great.
Hello, Forever family. Your body is constantly defending itself against environmental assaults, and it's important that you support a healthy immune system every single day, not just when you start feeling unwell. Forever Living Products has a very innovative and scientifically advanced product called Forever Aloe Turm with powerful ingredients like turmeric and zinc. This is a unique lozenge that you simply slowly dissolve in the mouth. Why? Because turmeric is a large molecule that sometimes the body does not readily absorb. By putting it into your mouth and slowly dissolving the lozenge, you allow the turmeric to go into the body where the body needs it, as well as zinc designed to help support a healthy immune system. Combined with menthol and eucalyptus, your breath will smell fresh and you can start the day feeling fantastic. I sincerely send you the biggest hugs and loves.
Thanks, Holly. We are always learning more about our favorite products. And thank you all for joining us this month from India. We hope you enjoyed it and learned a lot. Next month, we'll be passing Forever Matters across the globe. So stay tuned to see where we land. Until then, stay focused on what matters most to you.